Now you show some fingerprints here, but not on the top. Here's your micro USB in for charging. Now you can see on the iPhone that it says the session is active. So let's put that down. Now, hey guys, welcome to another video. In this video we're going to be taking a look at a new offering by Mophie. If you're not familiar with Mophie, they are notorious for making quality battery cases for your smartphones. And also they do some portable charging devices, USB battery that you can take with you and charge if you didn't want to get a case and put it on your phone. And so this is the new offering called the SpaceStation. So this is from Mophie, and again, this is a brand new offering. So what this is 32 gigs of storage and 3 times extra battery for tablets, smartphones. Works with iOS, Android, probably Windows. Probably need an app though, so you're not probably going to find an app in the Windows Store. But so let's flip it over and take a look. Again, this is the 32 gig, and this is pre-charged out of the box. So what more would you want? Extra storage and battery juice for your tablet and smartphone. On the go, portable, easy to carry with. So as you can see here, there's what it looks like. It looks like just one of their little power chargers, doesn't it? But this thing has got 3 times the battery and 32 gigs extra storage built in. And let's flip it over, look at some specs. As you can see, manage, open, and share files on the go. Download the Space app. Convenient external drive. Connect to a computer to transfer, store, and open files from the SpaceStation. So that's right, you can use this with your tablets and your laptops. So just plug this into a laptop and you can use it as like just an external drive. Copy files too, plug it into your tablet or your phone, boom, take the files off. We'll do a demonstration. So up to 16,000 photos, 14 hours more video, virtually any document. 3 times extra battery. This has got a 6,000 milliamp built-in battery, and as you can see, 5.5 hours on a large tablet, 7.5 hours on a small, and 3.5 hours on a smartphone. So lots of good stuff. Google Play, App Store, and again you can use it on Windows laptops, that kind of stuff. So let's go ahead, pop this baby open, take a look at it, and do a demonstration, and we'll look at a couple of its features. Nice little packaging there. So here's the actual device itself. We'll pull that out and leave it. Pull that out, get a little instruction book here. Stuck to the, they put a little glue on there. So you get a little instruction booklet, a little Mophie loves you card, even on the back, Mophie loves you. If they loved me, they would have sent this to me for free to review. I've bought a lot of stuff from Mophie to feature on the channel, so maybe one day Mophie will reach out and show me some of that love, because I'm doing them some love. Alright, so we get a micro USB cable. This is to actually charge the device, and actually if you wanted to, this is probably a data transfer cable as well that you can hook up to your laptop. Use this to transfer your files. Here's the actual device itself. As you can see, it's kind of a matte finish, so it does not show fingerprints, which I like. It's got, you show some fingerprints here, but not on the top. Here's your micro USB in for charging and data. Here is just your USB out if you wanted to just plug this in, reverse this to charge an Android phone. You could do that as well. Thunderbolt or a lightning cable in here, and you can charge out an iPad and whatever else. And we'll look at the output on this one to see what it is. Push this button here. Now it's not 100% pre-charged, but it is at least 75%. Each one of these LEDs indicating 25% juice remaining in the device. So that is really all there is to it. Not a lot. Now you can see here, 32 gigs USB. They got power here and then USB here, and just a little bit of FCC stuff down here, nothing else, and some branding right here so you can see it's official Mophie material. So what we're going to do, I'm going to come back, we're going to install the SpaceStation app on our Android and iOS devices, and we're going to do a demonstration of how this actually works, and a little more on the specs, especially on what you can expect on your amps out and stuff like that. Alright guys, we'll be right back. Alright, welcome back guys. So what we've got here is the Mophie SpaceStation, and we've got it hooked up via a lightning cable to the iPhone 6. I have an iPad 2 right here in front of us. This is not hooked up to anything, it's just a dangling cable. But let's see how this actually works. So what I'm going to do is I've installed the Space app on both the iPhone and the iPad. And if I go into the app right now, you can see if I go to Spaces, I have local storage, which is just a little container inside this app. But if I click on it, you can see I've copied a couple MP3s over to the app. And I've done this via the computer. I've actually copied these over via a PC. And we'll see how that's done. And then it actually sees the local space station, which is attached. And this is the actual space station right here. So if I click on music on my phone, you can see I also have some MP3s loaded on the space station. And I can, if I just click on them, I'm streaming it from the space station to the phone. So you can stream media from this, but the bad thing is it has to be hooked up. And then of course for this it's via Lightning. If it's Android, it's via micro USB. So you've got different ways to connect to it. Now, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on wireless. So you can see what it's done here. It's given me an IP address that the space station has on the network and a code. Okay? So you put that IP address in the browser, and then you're going to come down here and you're going to enter this code. And it is case sensitive, by the way, so make sure you do lowercase if that's what it gives you. And we hit return. Now you can see on the iPhone that it says the session is active. So let's put that down. Now you can see on the iPad, I've actually got local storage and the space station. So let's click on the space station. Let's click on the music folder. Now you saw we played Taylor Swift's Bad Blood right here. So what we can do is actually download this file. Now you can see the light on the space station came on. So if I hit play over here on the iPad, it's more than likely going to eventually start playing. But if this was a PC, I would be downloading the file to a local file station on the PC from the space station. Now this could be a photo. Say I wanted to transfer a photo from my iPhone to the space station and then transfer it to the PC. That way I could do it. I could delete the file, and you can see it says download size, date added. So let's upload a file. Let's just see. So we're going to click here and we're going to access the camera roll on the iPad. So let's just take this picture here. And now you can see that was really fast. It actually uploaded that file. So if I now come here, I'm just going to go and kill the Wi-Fi session, and I'm going to go to Photos, but I want to actually go to Spaces first. So I'm going to click on the Spaces, select the space station, go to the DCIM, the sync. Now these are actually pictures from my iPhone that I've actually copied my whole camera roll over to the space station. I'm going to go Recents, All Files. Here's the image. We copied it into the music folder from the iPad. There it is. So that was a quick little file share from the iPad's camera roll to the space station, viewing it on the iPhone. Now you could do vice versa, however you want to do this. And again, you can mix and match. You can put Android in the mix and transfer files from Android to iPhone, from iPhone to Android, and all that kind of thing. So that's really how you do it. If you want to access it from a PC, again, you could plug it in via USB. You could access it through Wi-Fi like this, like we're doing here, via browser, and just use it as like a Dropbox kind of GUI web interface. Now, the other thing I wanted to show you is this is charging my iPhone currently. So this is actually additional storage, 32 gig, but it's also battery. So this is providing charge to the iPhone, so the iPhone is charging as I'm using the storage. So if I wanted to stream media from this at the exact same time, it's going to keep charging my phone. Now these are on the space station, so I'll just hit play and boom. And while I'm listening to that from the space station, not using any storage from the iPhone's charging from the space station as well, so we're not losing a charge. So this will be a great thing. Load up your music on this, take it to work. You're not going to worry about data because you're going to be taking it straight from this. You're not going to worry about storage on your local device. You're not going to be working about battery because your battery will be charged through this most of the day. So really cool space station from Mophie, guys. Check the show notes for a link if you're interested in picking one of these up. And as always, guys, if you like this video, do give me a thumbs up, and a subscription to the channel helps us a ton. And as always, thanks for watching and have a good one.